Now if you look about the disadvantages of Bohr model or limitations of Bohr model that could not be explained by Bohr model, is that first is that it could not explain the spectra of multi-electron atoms. Like as we discussed about the spectra of hydrogen which contain only one electron, so that created such a problem in the explanation. So how come he can explain the multi-electron spectra of multi-electron atoms? So he could not explain the spectra of multi-electron atoms. Second, when the you can say when the line was seen in the spectra, that means when we saw the lines in the spectra, bright lines or the dark lines in the spectra, then if we bring magnetic field around it, if we try to place that thing in a magnetic field, or if we try to bring a magnet closer to it, we see that the line of the spectra further split into many finer lines. And the same thing happened in when we expose it to an electric field also, that the line split it into many fine lines. So this could not be explained by this thing, the Bohr model, that why the lines got split into more finer lines. Otherwise, it could not explain about the shapes of molecules, no information about it. And moreover, this is the, you can say, a major blow to the Bohr's model, because it could not explain the de Broglie and the Heisenberg uncertainty principle. We will discuss later that what actually these principles are and where they are actually used. So, for this moment you should know that these two things were not explained by the Bohr model. And moreover, they actually explain the circular motion of electron. That means according to them the atom model is a flat model, but later on it was proved that it is a three-dimensional model of an atom. So these things could not be explained by the Bohr model. So therefore we need a theory which can actually explain these things also, which could not be explained by this Bohr model.